Question number 6. A salary is 20% more than B's salary. Then B salary is how much percent less than A salary? A salary is 20% more. If B salary is 100%, then A salary is 20% more. 100 plus 20%, 120%. A salary is 20% more than B salary. Numerator take difference. Numerator take difference and denominator percentage is more, take less value. If percentage is less, take more value. In this question, B salary is how much percent less than? How much percent less? Percentage is less. So take more value, denominator. Numerator is difference, 120% and 100%. Difference is 20%. By denominator is B salary is how much percent less than? Percentage is less, take more value. More value is 120% into 100. 21 times 20, 6 times. 100 by 6. 100 by 6 equal to 16.66. B salary is 16.66% less than A salary. 1 by 6 equal to 16.66%. 1 by 6 equal to 16.66%, means per 100. 100 is left side. 100 by 6 equal to 16.66. 100 right side denominator and left side is numerator. 100 by 6 equal to 16.66. 100 by 6 equal to 100 by 6 equal to 16.66. Question number 7. Vamshi spends 70% of his salary and deposits 15% of his salary in the bank. If he is left with 1500 rupees, what is his monthly salary? Let Vamshi salary is 100%. Let Vamshi monthly salary is 100%. In this 100%, he spends 70% of his salary and deposits 15% of salary in the bank. 70% plus 15%, 85%. He spends 85%. His monthly salary is 100%. 100% subtract 85%. 85% is he spends 85%. So subtract 85% equal to 15%. 15%. His remaining percentage is 15%. 15% equal to, if he is left with 1500 rupees. So remaining percent equal to remaining amount 1500. So remaining percent equal to, we can write 1500 rupees. He is left with 1500 rupees. So 15 one time, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 1% equal to 100. And Vamshi monthly salary is 100%. 100% equal to into 100. 1% into 100, 100%. And right side also same, into 100. 100 into 100, 10,000. 10,000. Question number 8. A gave 50% of his money to his wife and distributed the remaining amount equally among his 4 children. If each child got 1250, what was the total amount he had? So his total amount is 100%. In this 100%, 50% A gave to his wife and remaining 50% A gave to his 4 children. If each child got 1250, one child equal to 1250, 4 children. Amount to be 4 children. 4 children. One child equal to 1250. 4 children into 4. One child equal to 1250 into 4, 4 children. And right side also same, into 4. 1250 into 4, 5000. 5000. So 50% equal to 4 children. 4 children percentage is 50%. 50% equal to 5000. 5000. His amount is, what was the total amount he had? His total amount is 100%. 100% equal to 50% is double 100%. And right side also same, double 5000 double 10,000. 10,000. Option D. Question number 9. A salaries was increased by 40% and then decreased by 20%. On the whole, A salaries increased by. A salaries first increased by 40%. First increased by 40% and next decreased by 20%. Net effect equal to, the salaries was increased by 40%. First increased by 40%. Increased plus X. And then next decreased by 20%. So negative Y minus XY by 100. Plus X minus Y minus XY by 100. Increase positive and decrease negative. Increase is positive and decrease is negative. So 40% net effect equal to X is 40% plus 40 minus decreased by 20%, minus 20 minus 40 into 20 by 100 according to the formula. Plus 40 minus 20 plus 20 minus 40 into 20, 800. 800 by 100. 100 one time, 100 8 times. Plus 20 minus 8 equal to plus 20 minus 8 plus 12. Plus 12 is positive. Plus is positive. Positive is increase. So plus 12 is increased. So 12% increased. Option D. Or as A salaries was increased by 40%. Increased 100% plus 40%. 100% increased is plus, increased is positive. So plus 40% equal to 140%. And next decreased is negative. Negative is subtract from 100%, 20% equal to 80%. 140% into 140% into 80%. Percent means per 100. Denominator is 2 zeros. Numerator 2 zeros and percent denominator 2 zeros cancel. 14 into 8 112. 12%. 112% equal to, also write 100% plus 12%. 112% equal to, also write 100% plus 12%. This 12% plus 12% is our answer. Plus 12%, this is answer. Increased positive, decreased negative. So plus 12%, plus 12 positive. So 12% increased. This is answer. If the price of a book is first decreased by 25% and then increased by 20%, the net change in the price of the book will be, the book is first decreased 25% and next increased by 20%. Decreased 25% plus increased 20% minus 25 into 20 by 100 minus 25 plus 20 minus 5 minus 25 into 20 times 500 by 100 100 one time 100 5 times minus 5 equal to minus 10. Minus 10 is decreased. Negative indicates the decreased. 10% decreased. Option A. Or first decreased by 25%. 25 subtract from 100%, 75% multiplied with increased 20%. 100 plus 20%. Increased is plus 100, decreased is subtract. 100 plus 20, 120%. 75%, 3 by 4 into 120%. 120%. 4 one time, 4 3 times, 0 0. 30 into 3, 90. 90%. 100% minus 10% equal to 90%. 10% is decreased. Negative indicates decreased. 10% is decreased. So 10% is our answer. 10% decreased.